Stop cooking rice on the stove. Everyone needs to know this trick, but almost no one does it. Many people cook rice the traditional way, using a pot, turning on the stove, and constantly watching it to prevent the water from boiling over, the rice from drying out, the bottom from burning, or the grains from becoming too soft. But there is a much easier way to cook it, especially when you only need a small portion and do not want to waste gas. To begin, grab a heat-resistant glass bowl. It is important to use a bowl that is large enough so the water does not spill over as the rice cooks. Now add 1 cup of rice. You can rinse it with water beforehand to remove some of the excess starch and help the grains stay more separate. Next, add enough water to completely cover the rice, leaving about half an inch to 1 inch of water above it. Add a small drizzle of olive oil. The oil will help prevent the grains from sticking together too much and will give the rice a better texture. Add a pinch of salt to taste. Place the bowl in the microwave and cook the rice on high power for approximately 10 minutes. The cooking time may vary slightly depending on the power of your microwave and the type of rice you are using. Once it is done, carefully remove the bowl because it will be extremely hot. Let the rice rest for a few minutes so it can finish absorbing the remaining moisture. Then gently fluff it with a fork. The result is delicious, soft rice that is ready to serve with any meal without dirtying a pot and without using any gas.